way more laid back than I did when I was my younger self. You were venting to me about assumptions, but they were educated guesses. That's why I keep spinning your block, trying to see all your sides. And your heart's been tangled in barbed wires. You can hand it to me, I can handle it. If I hide out with you and don't face it, then it'll come back round. It'll affect your respect for me. Oh yeah, you got boundaries, they're just obstacles you put in between us. Oh no, pick and choose and we both got options. There's affections, narcotic. Oh, you're a sex symbol, contradiction. You're more extra than me, but it's not threatening to me. I'm dialed in with you and I feel you going out with them. I'm dog getting filthy with the wrong mind jumping. I can't say nothing cause the whole thing ain't solid.
Take two.